In this today's video, I'm going to show you all working codes in 99 nights in the first game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can go to this diamond menu, and here you will see codes menu. Just tap on that, and then I'm going to show you the first code. So guys, the first code is happy Halloween. Like this, just type in happy Halloween and then you can submit the code. And I have already redeemed this code, and after you redeem this code, guys, you will get 10 candies for free. And then the next one is after party, and click on submit. And again, I have already redeemed this code, and after you redeem it, you will get 15 diamonds for free and 99 nights in the first. And okay guys, that's all the working codes that you can redeem in 99 nights in the first game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.